University Grant Commission na khanghallakpagi matungina undergraduate amasung postgraduate ke Tongan-Tonganba course ke Lairik sing Manipuri Lolda Handoknabagi Thabak paikhatpa Houre haina Manipur University ke Vice Chancellor Prof and Lokendra na phongdorakli wafamasi biannual multidisciplinary national peer reviewed bilingual ke research journal ama oriba lambi ke Kuntra Taruk Suba Volume Phongdokpaga mari leinana MU ge Manipuri Department ke Seminar Hall da pangthokpa thoramda mahakna phongdokhibani thoram maduga mari leinana Manipur University ke VC Professor and Lokendra na hai NEP 2020 lakpaga iroinana mahairoi singda Yariba makai mama lolda takpi tambina bagi wafam leire matang asida lamdam asigi haugatlakliba mahairoi singi yenglaga makhal khudingmaki lairik sing ase Manipuri Lolda Handoktuna amade nauna ithokpagi tangai fadaba lei amaromda Manipur University ki undergraduate amade postgraduate ki Tongan-Tonganba course amade program singi Lairik Manipuri Lolda Handoknaba amasung nauna ithoknaba University Grant Commission na khanghallakpa leire madugi matungina mathau taba thabak thoram sing paikhatpa Houre Manipuri lol ase ngasidi yamna matik magkun leiba lol ama oibak ngamlakle lol ase India ki 9 suba schedule da changbaga iroinana Sahitya Academy New Delhi na so sakhangba lol ama oiribane Manipuri lol ki aiba aibi kaya da Sahitya Academy Award lanthok tuna ikai khumnaba utpa laikre asigumba lol ase hena masak thokhanaba Manipuri Department loriba thaudang amade hotnariba pumnamak awangba thakta thagatli haina Professor and Lokendra na makhatana phongdokhe Manipur University ki Manipuri Department na sinduna pangtokpa thoram aduda Manipuri Department ki HOD Professor L Birjitta School of Humanities ki Dean Professor N Pramodini IQSC ki Director Professor A Rajmani Hanagi VC in charge Professor S Sanatombi amade School of Humanities ki Hanagi Dean Professor N Arunasu Saruk Yakhe
Even in the care-listed journal also ultimately do not prove to be following that kind of a very sacred sanctity which is supposed to be done by a good journal. So UGC is now thinking of reviewing this policy. Now they are saying that the screening committee of a university will have external members in every subject, about 3 external members, and these 3 external members should have the mandate as well as the capability to judge the quality of a publication, whether that publication is published in the form of a book chapter or in the form of a peer-reviewed journal or in any way. UGC is giving the power, and the UGC, as per this draft regulation, UGC is giving the power to the 3 external members to decide the quality of a publication in any form.